I'm back again. This is George. This time I'm going to show you how to remove a hard drive from our other laptop, which is the Lenovo subnotebook. Here I have a subnotebook in front of me. This one's a little bit different. Even though it's smaller, it maybe has a couple more steps added to it. I'm going to flip it up and over. And on the side here you will see I'll call it a trap door. I'm going to simply remove the one screw that holds it together. Let's set that off to the side, and this little door actually comes off just like that. Next, there is a pull tab, which is tucked in there. I pull this out, set that aside. If I were going to exchange a hard drive, I would get a new hard drive, label the old one, stick the new hard drive back in here, making sure that the pull tab goes underneath. It's just tucked away in here. Using two hands, a lot easier. This is the tricky part. Actually, not too bad. Screw it back on. But before I do that, I do want to show you a protective cover that this drive has on it, just in case that you might need to. Let me stand it up. Maybe this will be easier. Yeah. Okay. Pull this out. All of these drives come with this rubber protective cover, one on each side of the drive. Just wanted to point that out to you. Okay. Reinsert it back in. Standing up is easier, then you can see where you're trying to push that little tab into. Back down. You notice I'm going in at an angle. It takes a little while to get it just right, and even an experienced person like me has a little problems with it. There we go. Down. Fasten the screw. Always make sure to fasten the screw. You do not want these hard drives to fall out. If you're exchanging a shell, please do not forget to take note of the asset tag on the machine. Make a note of that asset tag number and the asset tag that you're putting someone into, and that's it. The Lenovo